Meaning of Iqaluit.
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 Iqaluit. Iqaluit is the capital city of Nunavut, which is the northernmost territory of Canada. The word Iqaluit comes from the Inuktitut language and means place of many fish. It is fitting for a city located on Frobisher Bay, where fishing has been an essential part of the local Inuit culture for centuries. Iqaluit was once a small Inuit settlement before becoming the capital in 1995. Today, it is a thriving community with a unique blend of traditional Inuit culture and modern Canadian society.